Hey guys, should I run video ads or not? Yo, what's going on guys, it's the Ecom here, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys if you should even run video ads or if you could just stick to picture ads. So, as you all guys already know, if you watched my channel for a while, if you're new here, hope you're doing good, hope you smashed the subscribe. If you watched me for a couple of weeks, or I mean even longer, you guys probably already know that I'm big on picture ads, and picture ads generate me multiple six figures. In this video I'm going to talk about should you run video ads, should you just pass on it. I'm going to bring you guys inside of my computer right here and actually show you guys products that works with pictures and products you should actually use a video for. So it's going to clear up your mind, because some products it's self-explanatory, you don't need a video at all. Well, you guys will see that in my computer in a second, but so without further ado, let's get into the video. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Donna NG. You can message me, my Instagram will be here. You want to get into coaching, change your life, all of that stuff. We had 5 people quitting their job this year. You want to get in, message me on Instagram here again, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So, should you run video ads? I mean, I spoiled it in the title already. I would recommend not running it, honestly, but look at it like this before I leave this video. You're gonna run it eventually. Okay, so what you do, in most products, I'm talking at least maybe like 90 to 95% of products, you could actually run with pictures, and if it works, you could get a video outsourced. So listen up. You make like 20 sales with your pictures, they're doing pretty okay. Maybe it's time to go to viral e-convince or something and get a custom-made video for it, and you could test that video and see how it works. But usually, when I outsource to get a video, obviously I do it. I'm not dumb, but like if I didn't do that, I would obviously have the opportunity to lose out on sales. But usually when I test with a video later on in the process, if I don't know, if not even 5 videos, in most cases my picture will actually do better. But now I'm going to show you guys inside my computer one product that you should definitely have a video for, and I'm also going to show you guys 2 products that you could just run with pictures. Okay guys, so here's the first product. This is the Sandblaster, and this product could actually be run without pictures, and I'm going to show you guys why right now. So if you look at the Sandblaster, this thing basically, I mean, the picture shows everything. It cleans away rust, and that's everything I really have to say. And it should run this product though. I mean, I'm not saying this product is, I don't show you guys this product because I recommend to sell it. I'm just showing you guys so you can understand if you should use a video. I see no reason at all running a video for this product, but it could be cool to have a video as well. But what I'm saying is, like, the picture explains the whole product. You see how it works, so there's not really a point. What I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to show you one more product that you can simply just run with pictures before I'm going to show you guys a product that you have to have a video on. So this product, this is like a lazy snack bowl, it's called. You can have up your iPad and all of that stuff up here. It's pretty cool. I mean, I don't think it's gonna sell. I've always denied this product, but as you guys can see, why would you have a video for this product? So, because some people, they're going crazy over videos. Like, they say to me all the time, you have to have a video for this product, but it's not true at all. So this product, it explains itself. There's absolutely no reason to even have a video for it. Okay guys, so this is the next product. This is an allergy product, and this one I highly recommend having a video for, because this product has a lot of features. You have to use it correctly. So on a product like this, you guys should definitely have a video for it. And I actually had a guy in the coaching selling this product with a massive success. What I do recommend is, like, get a video for a certain product you have to show. Let's just say you're selling an acne remover. I mean, you could simply just write acne remover in your caption, but I highly recommend when you're selling, like, for example, an acne remover, get a video. Get a video of the acne remover going under your skin, pouring out the acne, all of that stuff. Super cool. How it removes scars, everything, how it works. Because a video could just, you make a video compilation and then just type in text, removes allergy. Like, gets rid of your allergy today, stop sneezing today, golden time to start healing. Like, a video like that is super cool because it explains everything just with the text. So that could definitely be recommended. But for the first 2 products I showed you guys, there's like no reason to even have a video. So you guys might ask me, where do I see the highest ROAS? And guys, for real, unless it's in the skincare niche, I see the highest ROAS with pictures, and the pictures I take in from AliExpress. The price we looked at earlier now is just how I will find a picture. I just go onto the product, go on AliExpress, right click it, and save the picture. Anyways though guys, you want to find a little bit of a better picture, you could always go into Alibaba, because they might have a higher quality on their pictures. So sometimes I go to Alibaba to find better quality on my pictures, but you should definitely source from Alibaba, because you have to buy like a bunch of products if they're gonna allow you to even purchase from them. But that's not the part of the video. Like, just, you could use AliExpress picture for most product. If it's in the skincare niche or maybe even in the tool niche, it could be recommended to have a video. But to conclude, most products, they work so well with pictures, and people ask me all the time, they're like, it's so fascinating how we do pictures. Then they get into coaching, I show them exactly how a picture works, generate a high ROAS. Pictures are king, guys, but obviously if you run a picture, it's doing good, test it with a video. Like, there's no reason why you shouldn't test the product with a video. Okay guys, so one time I had a store running, and that store, it did 7 or 10k a day. Like, the best day was probably 11k, but that store did incredible. It was in November, like 1 year ago. And a really funny part about this store I'm gonna tell you guys now. So I was working on the store. I started running it with picture ads. I ran 2 picture ads for that store, and they performed phenomenal. First day, just solely just based on testing, I made $800. Next day, the store made $7,000 straight overnight. It's not even a joke. So I did all of this with a picture, and now I'm gonna tell you guys why the product blew up, first of all. And I'm gonna tell you guys why the product blew up. First of all, it was new. I was the only one selling it on the market. And before you guys think this is not about ad creatives and video, hold on guys, hold on a second. So I blew this product up. It's the only one selling it. Testing. I tested a product and made 7k a day. Not even kidding. I didn't even start scaling, and that's the phenomenal part about this. So obviously, when you run a new product that doesn't have a lot of content because it's completely new, right? You can't expect an awesome video for a product nobody's ever seen before. So I ran it with a lot of pictures. Later on, I was outsourcing the product. I had 2 pictures running at that time. I outsourced the products to like viral e-com vids type of thing. I don't think that was what it is. Could have been Fiverr, but at least I outsourced the product. And what I found to be like super interesting was I outsourced it. I got like 3 or 4 videos tested with multiple thumbnails, multiple videos. Those videos were super good. They were like 10 out of 10 dropshipping videos. And still guys, believe it or not, what really ended up working was not the video. We brought in like 2 sales a day, and the pictures just kept bringing in like 200 sales a day. Which means the moral of the story here guys is, of course, the gurus will always tell you to use these videos, and I can agree in some cases, like I said earlier, if you're selling in the skincare niche, for example, or the tools. But just guys, get this thing right. You know, people are actually scared of testing untapped products. Like, I had people in the coaching before they actually get to know me though, because when they know me, they know I run a lot of untapped products, and they are scared because they say, this product is untapped, we can't run it because there's no videos for it, there's no content. And that is the thing guys, of course, you're running an untapped product, it won't always be a video for that product, and you gotta work with what you have. Are you gonna pass on the best product you ever seen just because there's not video for it? You guys need to develop the eye for like good AliExpress pictures. Yeah, I mean, there might not be as cool as a video, but whatever you think is cool does not mean Facebook think it's cool. They will optimize, right? So usually when I test with pictures, actually the pictures will do better than a video, unless it's in skincare or unless it's in the skincare niche or the tool niche. So get that right guys. New product, you can't just expect to find 5 awesome videos. Nobody's ever seen the product before. Of course, you're only gonna be running pictures, and that's super important to keep in mind. But to conclude, most products, they work so well with pictures, and people ask me all the time, they're like, it's so fascinating how we do pictures. Then they get into coaching, I show them exactly how a picture works, generate a high ROAS. Pictures are king guys. But obviously, if you run a picture, it's doing good, test it with a video. Like, there's no reason why you shouldn't test the product with a video anyways, but in most cases, if it's a picture type product, which 90% of products is, it works perfectly fine. So if you guys found this video helpful, if you did, remember to go down, smash a like on the video, and also you definitely gotta hit the nice looking subscribe button and leave a comment, and you'll be seeing me in the next video.